kids, do you know what time it is?
It's time for the weekly update!
Hello, PBMA families. This is Mrs. Solorzano with your weekly update for the week of August 11th, 2025. What an amazing first week we've had here at PBMA. Our sharks came in with smiles, positive attitudes, and a readiness to learn. Teachers and students have been busy getting to know each other, learning classroom rules and routines, and starting the year off strong. Come with me to check out Mr. W's 4th grade classroom. Hello, PBMA families. We're here with Mr. W, one of our awesome 4th grade teachers. And I see, Mr. W, that your class has been reading a novel called The Ringer. Would you be able to tell us more about that?
Yes, Ringer by Jerry Spinelli is about a boy. He's turning 9-10 years old throughout the story. He has to make some decisions in his life. One involves a pigeon, which he's going to have to maybe be a friend with or maybe push off to the side. It's some decisions he's going to have to make, but we're starting with some 3 questions. We read chapters 3 and 4 today, and we're ready to answer some questions, and we're going to share some of our answers.
Wow, that is impressive. It's only the 3rd day of school, and our students are already hard at work. Thank you, Mr. W, and now it's time to check out Miss Patty's 5th grade classroom. Come with me. Hey, PBMA families. I'm here with Miss Patty, one of our wonderful 5th grade teachers. Hey, Miss Patty, how's it going so far? What are your students working on?
Hello, everyone. Yeah, it's going pretty good. I am very fortunate this year because I got the best students of the whole school. They behave super good, right, my love? Yes. So at this moment, we are working on a book. These wonderful students are writing a book. They can choose either they copy a book or some of the students are writing their book from their own head, their own story, which is great. They are also doing the pictures, coloring the pictures, and the main thing here is that the students are writing in cursive writing. Some students are super, super good. Some others are trying and they are getting it. If I will love to show one of the pages from one of my students. I thought this student writing is much better than mine and much better than most of the teachers that I have seen. He is just wonderful. This is my super good writer student.
Thank you so much, Miss Patty. Thank you so much, class. I cannot wait to read the book when it's all done.
Thank you.
Bye!
Please enjoy the photos and highlights from the first week of school. A big thank you to all the families who sent in school supplies. It makes a huge difference in helping our classrooms run smoothly. PBMA families, if your students have outgrown their uniform tops or bottoms, we would greatly appreciate your donations. Please send them to the nurse's office at either the elementary or secondary campus so they can be shared with students who can use them. Thank you for your support. We love seeing our sharks looking sharp in their uniforms each day. Students should be in full uniform unless it's a special dress-up day. If your uniforms have not arrived yet, please have your student wear a solid colored shirt with their uniform bottoms. Thank you for helping us keep our sharks looking their best. You're invited. Join us for our Chick-fil-A Welcome Back Night on Thursday, August 21st from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. at the Chick-fil-A at 1197 West Lantana Road in Lantana. This is a fun way to kick off the school year. Connect with other PBMA families and support our safety patrol. We can't wait to see you there.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, your elementary principal. Welcome to the 25-26 school year. Welcome back, my returning students. Welcome to my new students. It's been a great opening. So parents, a special thank you to you for being patient with us as we work through all the arrival and dismissal kinks. You guys, as always, have been amazing. It's been a great week here. Lots of engagement, lots of work, lots of learning our new routines and procedures, and we are so excited to kick off the school year.
Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Cooper with a guest appearance on the weekly update. I wanted to tell you about the Smiles Mobile Dentist Program that is bringing state licensed dentists right here to PBMA. This is a free program. The dentists will check your child's mouth and teeth, as well as provide a cleaning, x-rays as necessary, fluoride treatments, and apply sealants as needed, all at school. A dental report card will be sent home too. The dentists will visit the elementary campus on Thursday, September 4th and Friday, September 5th. They will visit the secondary campus on Tuesday, September 2nd. Please sign up as soon as possible as spots are limited. I will email out the sign-up links again. Please take advantage of this very great program.
There will be no school on Monday, September 1st in observance of Labor Day. Mark your calendars. Our elementary curriculum night is coming up on Tuesday, September 2nd. This is a great opportunity for parents to meet teachers, see classrooms, and learn more about the year ahead. We look forward to welcoming families during your child's designated time slot. At the elementary campus, families of 1st and 4th graders are invited to join us from 4 to 4:30 p.m. 2nd and 3rd grade families from 4:45 to 5:15 p.m. and kindergarten and 5th grade families from 5:30 to 6 p.m. We can't wait to see you there.
We're excited to share highlights from Mr. Del Valle's media class at the secondary campus, where they launched Wave Makers to showcase our students and campus activities.
Hello, PBMA community. This is Alexis Olson for the Wave Makers, bringing you closer to the action and stories happening within our school community. We will be featuring behind-the-scenes content, inspiring narratives, and highlights from our middle and high school students.
PBMA Secondary Campus welcomes students and staff back to the school for the academic year 2025 to 2026 with great enthusiasm and anticipation. The new school year marks a fresh start for students, teachers, and staff to work together towards achieving academic excellence. The school year promises to be an exciting one with various academic activities and celebrations planned throughout the year.
That's it for our first day back of high school experience. Back to you, Alexis.
Thank you, Zoe. Stay informed about the latest happening here at the secondary campus. Again, this is Alexis Olson for the Wave Makers.
It has been a fantastic first week, and we can't wait to see what the rest of the year holds. Thank you, PBMA families, for your continued support in helping our sharks be respectful, responsible, and ready every day. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.